Shit, I'm gonna just say it now. Amy, I caught feelings for you, and I like you, and I love you, and I would do anything. I would do anything to make you happy. I would literally do anything. I would literally fly to Taiwan, Korea, Japan, Vietnamese, whatever. You don't have to answer now. I really like you, but goodbye.
I'll text you.
You'll text me? Bye.
Oh my God.
Industry.